Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your dual zone automatic climate control in the 2022 Kia K5. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in ebony black. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, our dual zone automatic climate control is located in the center here underneath the vents. Right now the system is off and you can hit almost any button on here to turn the system on again. You'll notice there's two different temperature knobs, one on the left for the driver's side and one on the right for the passenger side. Right now you can see sync is turned on. That means that anytime I go to adjust the driver's side knob, you'll see that the temperature is the same for both sides. If I were to press the sync button or just go ahead and use the passenger side knob, you'll see it'll change differently or separately from the driver's side. If I press sync on again, it will then sync it back over to the driver's side, and now the driver's knob is in control. Inside the driver's knob, there's the auto button. There are three different stages. If I go ahead and press that, right now there's three lights on, and it's saying hi here on the screen. That's saying that the automatic climate control will adjust the fan speed as needed up to the highest setting to get the cabin to reach the temperature that you've told it to on here. You can cycle through and I can press it again, and now there's only two lights, and now the fan will only go up to a medium speed. So just in case you don't want the air blowing so hard, or if it's too loud, you can have it set to medium, or if I press it again, it will go to the lowest setting. So it'll only push the fan speed on the low setting to get the cabin to reach this temperature. You can hit either the big or the little fan speed buttons at any time to turn off the auto mode, and you're in full control of the fan speed. You do have your dedicated front and rear defroster buttons. Your rear defroster does include your side mirrors. Okay, so you have heated side mirrors. It's just linked with the rear defroster. To the right of the big fan button, that's the mode button. So when you press that, it'll cycle through where you want the air to come from. If you were to turn the temperature down low enough, the air conditioning will turn on its own and will start auto recirculating the air once it's cold enough to keep the cold air in and the hot air out. When it's on the lowest setting, that's kind of like the max AC. So let's turn it back up again. AC goes off. When you hit a certain temperature, you don't need the AC to run anymore. In this K5, there's also a heated windshield. So that's button dedicated for that. And if you don't want to have your climate control system on at all, you can go ahead and hit the off button. The auto system will also auto defog and auto dehumidify as it needs to. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.